Hey everyone, welcome back. It's Dan with Boulevard.com here at our friends at Cummings Mobility, the premier handicap accessible vehicles in Minnesota and Iowa. And we have a Chevy Traverse that had a kneeling issue. Upon further investigation, we found that the kneeling chain linkage had actually broke itself. Now, BraunAbility places this kneeling actuator actually underneath the vehicle. Traditionally, in the past, we've seen where they'll store it inside of the vehicle. But specifically due to space on the Chevy Traverse, they have stored this underneath the vehicle right in line with the suspension of the rear tires. Now, to access this easier, you're going to want to take off your passenger side wheel. I will say that for many of you, this will be a warrantable item. This vehicle is out of warranty. And if it's under warranty, and even if it's not, really you should bring it into your qualified authorized BraunAbility dealer, as this is a little bit more of an advanced repair. Taking off that wheel, we'll be able to get in here and see access up to that linear actuator that kneels this. Move on over here and you can see that actual kneel chain now coming up through, coming down to the elbow, attached down. Now the piece that failed on this one was actually the fitting up on the end of that actuator. I've got it right here to show you. This entire thing exploded, releasing from the chain, causing us to replace this and a few other components. Again, if you're going to be doing this on a Chevy Traverse that is handicap accessible, strongly encourage you that this is a repair to take to the experts. If you have any issues with your Chevy Traverse, locate a qualified dealer at Boulevard.com. Questions, comments, leave it below. Thanks for watching.